Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The T-Roc Life 1.0 TSI 110PS, and it comes in a deep black pearl finish and it looks incredible. The car's here available at Oldham Volkswagen with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior. You get access to alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look in my opinion, and power folding wing mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. Great for places like shopping centres. A fairly spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points can be found in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging as well. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. In panning around, you can see the titanium black and ceramic interior upholstery, which work hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use. On the right hand side here, you can see we can configure the dashboard display to show key information like our driving data, audio and telephone. Alongside that, you also have features like the adaptive cruise control, which can be accessed through the left hand side, offering a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and also a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from. As we do make our way into navigation, you can see here you're prompted to purchase this additional cost. However, the wireless App Connect functionality that this car does uphold is the App Connect, which is your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link, allows you to safely display your phone through the car so you can access features like Google Maps navigation from your phone through the car's infotainment screen. Your park distance control is your parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, and ensures that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way, and this is great for places like shopping centres where it can be traditionally a little bit too tight. As we do pop the car in reverse, you will notice these sensors do automatically display, but it's nice to know we can access them at any point we feel like we may need to. Lastly, the car also enables you to connect your phone through Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to make calls directly through the car. Alternatively, you can do this through App Connect, but it's nice to know it has its own native section. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 1 year roadside assistance, and much more. So, to learn more about the vehicle or to book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online.